Hey friends, if you wish to use Gmail stars for better email organization, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what we have. We have a lot of emails, and you will always notice a little star kind of a check mark behind the email. One is the normal checkbox, and one is this one. So if you check this box, it will star the email, and we can use that to isolate, or we can use that to mark a few emails as important, or just mark a few emails for whatever reason you want to. Now if you wish to view the starred emails, simply click on this drop down arrow and select starred. Okay, it will show all the starred emails kind of separately. Okay, in the checkbox. So this is how we can use this. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.